Okay, so I want to talk about graphing a line through a given point with a given slope. So suppose we have the problem that says to graph the line with slope 1/3 that passes through -2, -4. So the first step is to find the point that this line passes through. So in this case it passes through -2, -4, which is right here. So graph that point. We know that the line is gonna go through that point. Now we can use the slope, which is equal to rise over run. So remember that slope, which we call m, is equal to rise, which is how much we go up, over run, which is how much we go over. So in this case, we are going to go up 1 and over 3. So from here, I will go up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. And then again, I'll go up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. Once you have at least 2 points on your line, you can graph it. And I'm going to use my ruler. You can just do the best you can. Or if you have a ruler, by all means. And when we graph this line, that should do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try one more example. So this other example will be graph the line with slope -3 that passes through to -5. Okay, so to graph this line, let's go ahead and erase this guy. All right, so we're gonna again find the point that we need to start with. So the point we need to start with is 2, -5. So that means that we go over 2 to the right and we go down 5. So that should be right about here. And then remember that the slope here is -3, which we can write as -3 over 1, so that we have our rise and our run. So our rise is going to be -3. That means we go down 3, and then our run is 1, so we go over to the right 1. Now you'll see here though that I'm running out of space on my graph, so I can also go up 3, but to the left 1, and then my negative is coming from going to the left. So that would be like 3 over -1, which is still -3, but it's a different way of doing it. So then we go up 3 and over to the left 1, and that gives us more points on our line. So we can even keep going, and it gives us that point, and then we can draw the line that goes through these points. You don't really need so many points, but you can use as many as you want. So here's our line. And remember to put arrows on your line because lines go forever in both directions. And that's it.